In 2025, some online side hustles are costing you more time than they're worth. If you're still doing surveys or basic drop shipping, stop. Let's upgrade your hustle. Number 1, from surveys to paid interviews. Surveys pay pennies, but companies now pay $50 to $150 for real feedback through platforms like user interviews. Your time is valuable. Earn like it. Number 2, from drop shipping to print on demand. Old school drop shipping is oversaturated, but niche print on demand is booming. Think custom fan merch, viral quotes, and AI art prints. No inventory needed. Number 3, from MLMs to affiliate marketing. MLMs in 2025? Nah. Affiliate marketing is 100 times better. Promote legit products on YouTube, TikTok, or your blog and get paid every time someone buys. Number 4, from crypto flipping to Web3. Freelancing instead of gambling on coins, learn to build. Smart contract developers, NFT copywriters, and blockchain marketers are in demand and getting paid in crypto or cash. Number 5, from data entry to virtual assistant niches. Low-skill data entry is on its way out, but specialized VAs like Amazon store managers or content schedulers are charging $25 to $60 an hour. Niche down, win big. These are the moves that matter in 2025. Stop chasing outdated tactics and start building something that pays. Which hustle are you upgrading to?